Who is Google Calendar's creator? In this article, you'll find out that Google Calendar wasn't created by Google. In fact, before being purchased by the search engine in 2004, it was written by former Microsoft executive Ray Toevs. The article also explores the differences between both AI-powered copywriting and traditional copywriting, with a bit of content analysis thrown in for good measure to answer which comes out on top. Who created Google Calendar? If you're like most people, you probably don't even realize that Google Calendar is actually the brainchild of a single person, Sundar Pichai. In 2006, Sundar co-founded Google with Sergey Brin. Prior to that, Sundar worked on software at Sun Microsystems and was part of the founding team for Space. Google Calendar is an extremely popular online scheduling tool. It's used by millions of people all over the world to plan their day-to-day lives, as well as events such as work meetings and holidays. How did Sundar come up with the idea for Google Calendar? Well, it all started back in 2002 when he was working on a project called Gears. Gears was designed to allow users to share documents with other people inside of Google. At the time, there wasn't any easy way to schedule events outside of Google Calendar itself. So, Sundar came up with the idea of creating a calendar application that could be used outside of Google as well. Google Calendar ultimately became what it is today thanks to the hard work and dedication of one man, Sundar Pichai. Why did Google Calendar originate? Google Calendar is a free calendar application created by Google. It allows users to organize and view appointments and events in a convenient online calendar. Google Calendar was first released on April 6, 2007, as part of the Gmail interface. How did a group of dudes create a powerful time management tool? Google Calendars is a powerful time management tool that was created by a group of dudes. The goal of the project was to create a simple and easy-to-use calendar system that could be used by everyone. Google Calendars has quickly become one of the most popular tools for managing your time and organizing your life. Is there a document containing all the devious plans and coordinated calendars they made to promote their invention? Google Calendar, which is now available on the web and on various mobile devices, is credited with revolutionizing how people keep track of their schedules. Created by Google founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin in 2004, the calendar was originally designed as a way to help them keep track of working hours. Today, it is used by millions of people all over the world to organize their lives. While it is easy to use and navigate, some have questioned Google's motives for creating this popular product. Some have suggested that the company used its monopoly on the search engine to promote its calendar ahead of competitors, while others have accused Google of deleting unfavorable reviews from the online store Amazon.com after competitors Walmart and Microsoft began selling competing products. Whatever the actual motives behind Google Calendar may be, it is clear that this simple yet essential product has had a significant impact on modern life. Possible recurrent coincidences in the creation of Google Calendar. The creator of Google Calendars is currently unknown, but there are some possible coincidences between the creation of Google Calendars and major events in history. For example, Google Calendars was created on February 14, 2004, just 17 days after the death of former U.S. President George H.W. Bush. Likewise, the launch of Gmail coincided with the announcement of Google's $1 billion acquisition of DoubleClick in 2003. In all, there have been 18 unique dates on which Google Calendar was created or something significant happened involving it. Whether these coincidences are mere chance or intentional design by the creator is unknown, but they highlight just how interconnected our lives have become through technology, and how valuable the tool the calendar can be for organizing our time and communication. Conclusion: as Google Calendar creator, you're in charge of organizing everyone's appointments and commitments. Whether you're juggling work and school obligations, or just need to keep everyone updated on what's happening when, Google Calendar is the perfect tool for you. There are countless ways to use Google Calendar, so finding the right way to use it is essential. Here are a few tips to get started. 1. Use Google Calendar as a to-do list. Make using Google Calendar as your to-do list a habit by adding all of your tasks into it. When you have an idea of what needs to be done, it will be easier to determine when/where it should be done. You can also use this time constraint for prioritizing your work since you know what needs to be done first. 2. Use it as a meal planner. Knowing when you'll have time for meals is crucial for healthy living. With Google Calendar, you can easily plan out your meals for the week/month and see when they will coincide with other activities. This way, you don't have to worry about missing any important dietary restrictions or forgetting important